All right, let's just jump right in. Get ready, because what we're starting right now, it isn't just another explainer. This is a year-long financial marathon. It's a daily commitment we're making together to completely change your financial future. For good.
And this right here, this pretty much says it all. We genuinely believe that financial literacy shouldn't be some complex secret kept for the wealthy. Our mission is to make it an accessible, powerful daily habit for every single person. This is about you taking back control.
I mean, let's be real for a second. The world of financial advice online can be total chaos, right? It's just endless noise, conflicting opinions, and a million get-rich-quick schemes. What we're building here is the exact opposite of that. It's a sanctuary, a calm space with structured knowledge, daily consistency, and a clear path forward.
So, what's the one big goal here? What are we really trying to do? It's simple, really. Over the next 365 days, we are going to build a professional investor's mindset from scratch, brick by brick. We're starting from square one, so it doesn't matter if you're a complete beginner or just need a reset, you are in the perfect place.
Okay, so you might be asking, what really makes this different from everything else out there? Well, it all comes down to commitment, depth, and a completely new way of thinking about the relationship between your money and your mind.
Let's start with this. This isn't some weekend seminar or a monthly email. No, we are showing up for you and with you every single day for one whole year. That kind of consistency, it's incredibly powerful. It's how you build real, lasting habits and knowledge that actually sticks.
365. Just let that number sink in for a second. That's how many days we are committing to this journey together. It's a marathon, not a sprint, and you better believe we're going to cross that finish line together.
And when we talk about the curriculum, we mean it's the full A to Z. And we mean that literally. We're going to start with the absolute fundamentals, like what even is the stock market? And we're going to go all the way to super advanced topics like how to manage your own psychology during a market crash. Seriously, no stone will be left unturned. Now this brings us to a concept that is at the very heart of this entire year: Neuro-Fitness. See, we're not just going to teach you numbers and charts. We are going to train your brain. Think of this as a mental gym, a cognitive conditioning program designed specifically to build the discipline and the resilience you need to navigate any market condition.
So where are we headed? Well, this isn't some random walk in the woods, I promise you that. We have a clear, structured plan. This is the roadmap that's going to guide us from day one all the way to day 365.
So here's the year, just at a glance. We kick things off by building a solid foundation, the wealth mindset and core concepts. Then, we dive into traditional markets and stocks. From there, we explore the entire crypto and Web3 ecosystem. And we bring it all home in the final months by mastering advanced analysis and risk management. You see? Each phase builds perfectly on the one before it.
Okay, so that's the plan. That's the road we're taking. But what's the destination? What's the transformation you can actually expect after a year of this? This is our promise to you.
And I want to be crystal clear about something. We are not selling hype. We're not selling you empty hope or get-rich-quick fantasies. We are delivering pure, structured knowledge, day in and day out. This is all about empowerment through real education.
So, what's the ultimate goal? I want you to just imagine this for a moment. 1 year from today, you are a confident, independent thinker. You're able to analyze complex markets, manage your own portfolio, and you make decisions not based on hype or fear from social media, but relying solely on your own well-trained intellect. That is the transformation we are working towards.
And the best part? This isn't some far-off idea. This journey, this marathon, it all kicks off tomorrow. The energy is absolutely building, and we are so ready to get started.
So yeah, fasten your seatbelts. Seriously, find that little slot of time in your day where you can focus, because this is going to be one incredible ride, and it's going to require your full attention and commitment.
And we are starting with a bang! Our very first session, day one, is all about one of the most powerful financial concepts on the entire planet, the magic of compound interest. It's the perfect cornerstone to build everything else on top of.
So really, there's only one question left to ask. Are you ready? Are you ready to join us on this marathon and truly commit to your financial future? If the answer is yes, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we will see you tomorrow for day one. Let's do this.